1 year since the RG Kar Hospital horror case, Bengal is now protesting. They are now marking RG Kar case's anniversary. Parents of the RG Kar Hospital victim are the ones who are leading this march. Entire state of West Bengal is now protesting. The visuals that you are seeing coming in from the city of Kolkata. It's been a year since the horrific RG Kar rape and murder case happened. Protesters are now marking the RG Kar case anniversary. Parents of the RG Kar Hospital victim are leading the march. My colleague Anirban Roy is now joining me on the story. Anirban, this was a heart-wrenching case. The entire nation was extremely angry. We understand it's the parents of the victim. They are the ones who are leading this march.
Well, definitely you see that in this march, the parents of Abhayas are leading the march along with the Bengal opposition leader, Shubhendu Adhikari. We cannot show you the faces of parents, but right now you can see the parents as well as the few of the BJP leaders, those who are protesting just in front of the Park Street. This is the central Kolkata, and the rally was about to go towards Raj Bhavan, but the rally path was changed by Shubhendu Adhikari, and right now this rally is coming towards Park Street, but the police is obstructing, as they have said already that they will not allow the Navanya Abhiyan. And as the parents has already alleged that there must be something that has been hidden by the West Bengal government after the case has happened within 24 hours or 48 hours. And after that, CBI has taken over. But right now, the protest is going on, and in everywhere in West Bengal, right now, not in Kolkata, but in Satragachi, in Howrah, in various places of Howrah, as well as people from different districts has came here. Sadhu Saints also came here to protest against this, and they are saying that we want justice. And two of the slogan that was raised by the parents of Abhaya as claimed by Shubhendu Adhikari. One is we want justice, and the second is that Dofa Ek Dabi Ek Mukhyamantrir Padotyag, means they have only one thing to claim, that CM Mamata Banerjee should resign immediately.